Hi, I'm Jennifer Scully of Jennifer Scully Designs, and I have something super exciting to talk to you guys about today. It's called a vinyl floor cloth, and it replaces area rugs. It solves so many problems. I am so excited to talk to you about it. Come on, I'll show you. These vintage vinyl floor cloths are handcrafted in the USA and come in many patterns, sizes, and colors to suit any decor. Spills on these rugs are no problem. No matter what color it is, no matter what it's made out of, you just blot it up with a paper towel and it's gone. I want to show you how thin these mats are, and like I said, they come in hundreds of colors, sizes, and shapes, and all different patterns. So they have modern, traditional, everything you need. But the thickness is only 1/8. And so when you put this on your floor, it lays so flat, none of the edges will buckle up, that it almost looks like you've inlaid the floor with these designs. And I want to also talk really quickly about distressing. So these are recycled vinyl, they're handcrafted, and if you could see that, there will be all different colors and different marks and distressing on each rug, and that is totally normal. That's actually part of the beauty. That means that it's handcrafted. So there's nothing wrong with your rug if it has some distressing. We actually love that. So if you're looking for something durable, washable, affordable, and totally gorgeous and unique, please check out our full line of these recycled vinyl floor cloths on jenniferscullydesigns.com/shop.